Which among the following best describes the protected specifier? Members are secure as private but can be inherited. If a constructor is defined in a protected class access, then its instance can be created inside the subclass. If the protected members are to be made accessibility only to the nearest subclass and no further subclass, which access specifier should be used in inheritance. The subclass should inherit the parent class privately. Protected members differ from default member, as protected member can be accessed outside package using inheritance, but default cannot. If all the members are defined in protected specifier, then constructors are not considered. Instance of class can be created anywhere. If protected inheritance is used, then protected and public members become protected in subclass. If protected members are to be accessed from outside the class, then members must be made public. Which among the following can use protected access specifier? Members which have to be secured and should be used by other package or subclass. If a class have default constructor defined in private access and one parameter constructor in protected mode, how will it be possible to create instance of object? Define a constructor in public access with different signature. If the members have to be accessed from anywhere in program and other packages also, which access specifier should be used? Public. Which among the following have least security according to the access permission allowed? Public. Which among the following can be used for outermost class access specifier in Java? Default or public? If members of a superclass are public, then all those will be available in subclasses. How many public classes can be there in Java program? 1. Which among the following for public specifier is false? The static members cannot be public. A class had its default constructor defined as public. Class B inherits class A privately. The class both classes can have instances. Which specifier can be used to inherit protected member as protected in subclass but public as public in subclass? Public. Which among the following is true for public class? Public classes can be accessed from any other class using instances. If a class does not have public members, then none of its member function can be called outside the class. In multi-level inheritance, the public members of parent or superclass will continue to get inherit subsequently. Which specifier allows to secure the public members of base class in inherited class, private and protected?